Welcome to section 9 of the Jewellery Design with ZBrush course, the mega course. In section 9 what we're going to be looking at is designing this ring, handcrafted feel, aka Thomas Whittleback style. So we're going to be creating this. In fact, we're going to be creating a ring like this and this. I think this is the actual ring that we create, and it's basically we're going to be doing a lot of hand sculpting on a ring base to create this kind of Thomas Whittleback type look ring. Now this is quite good, this section. It's good fun for sure, so it will get you straight into kind of doing intricate details inside of ZBrush. So you can see these sort of details that we can get across. Pretty easy, just takes a little bit of it. This will sort of improve your sculpting ability inside of ZBrush. So I'll just run through what we're going to do in this. We're going to create the ring base. So we're going to be creating a base, mesh, and a 7mm stone that we've got here. So this is for an amber stone, by the way. It's 7, I think it's 7 or 8mm. So we're going to be adding resolution to the base mesh and tapering the shape of the ring, like here. So this is taking it a step further than we normally do with our standard ring. Creating our ring settings as well. So we'll be doing our hole in the middle and all this sort of stuff. Setting the ring up for the actual sculptural part of it. We'll be using Boolean subtract our ring and mask inflations for decoration. So we'll be basically putting our detail on, and then we're going to have control to be able to push in and pull out our detail via layer masking or layer control painting. So again, we continue with detailing. We're going to be then adding extra detail and masking, and we'll be cleaning up to create a ring. We'll be creating a low resolution version of the ring. As you can see, this has got subdivision levels, so it's a much lower resolution ring than the higher resolution ring. So if I crank this up now, you're going to see that detail pull back out. So we can create a low resolution with layer control. Then we're going to be final checks and any hollowing of the ring. Not sure this one's got it, but we've got actually cut throughs and all sorts of stuff going on. So if I load up another thing from this ring, I think this is custom version 2 here. So here we go. We have this version as well, which is pretty cool. So a different version of that ring that we have there. And I think this one is the first version that you just viewed. So very exciting, very, you know, it's a fairly long section, but it does open your mind up to a lot of skills that you need for actually doing these types of rings. And you can see in there I've got my cutout for just saving a bit of material on the top of the ring there. We'll be decimating this down, so we'll be reducing the amount of polygons but keeping the detail for export to be printed. And variations of the same mesh, as I just showed you, we have variations of that mesh there that we can add. So section 9, very cool, inside of our Jewellery Design course for ZBrush.